Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him 12 SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box.
Step 1. Take an A4 size paper. Fold one edge of the paper to the other edge and make a crease. Step 2. Fold the top left corner to the other side in such a way that you get a triangle and make a crease. Step 3. Unfold and do the same on the right hand side corner. Step 4. Unfold, fold the top edge of the paper to the middle of the paper as shown. And make a crease. Step 5. Unfold. Use your forefingers to bring in the scoops as shown. Step 6. Now repeat the steps to achieve the same result on the other side. Step 7. Fold the corners of the triangle diagonally as shown. Step 8. Turn the paper over and fold the corners of the triangle towards the middle of the paper as shown. Step 9. Fold the bottom of the paper towards the top. And make a crease. Step 10. Pull the flaps you folded and insert them into the bottom of the page as shown. Step 11. Flip the paper and fold along the middle of the paper. Fold it upwards. Step 12. Now fold the edge of the paper again towards the bottom. And make a crease. Step 13. Flip the paper over. Congratulations! You have successfully made an origami paper frog. Now to make the frog jump, gently tap on the bottom of the frog.